Hey everyone, want to remove those default clothes from your Roblox avatar and start fresh? Let me show you. Alright, so first open the Roblox app on your Android phone and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and you'll find few options there. Once you see it, tap on Avatar to open up your avatar editor. You'll see all your current clothing and accessories here. Now tap on Customize at the top. This shows all the items you're currently wearing. Here's what you do. Just deselect everything. Tap on each item to remove it from your avatar. This gets rid of all the default clothes. Okay, now tap on Head and Body from the menu. Then select Skin Tone. You'll see a bunch of preset skin tone options, but scroll all the way down until you find Advanced and tap on that. Here's where it gets cool. You can customize each body part individually. You'll see options for head, left arm, left leg, and right leg. Start changing the colors to match what you want. Maybe you want everything the same color, or maybe you want to get creative with different colors for different parts. It's totally up to you. Go through each body part, left arm, right leg, left leg, and pick your colors. Once you're happy with everything, just tap Done at the top. And that's it. Your default clothes are gone, and you've got a clean avatar ready to be customized however you want.